Hi, I'm trying to wire an Ecobee3 thermostat onto an older Trane system. I have 8 wires connected to a Weathertron thermostat with a Baystat 239 circuit board. Do you think you can help?
Currently have attempted wiring as follows. Format is Baystat wire, Ecobee3 wire position, wire color, B, C, blue O, OB, orange X2, O2/W2, black W, O1/W1, white T, nothing, tan G, G, green R, RH, red Y, Y1, yellow.
Have a TWV018/024/025/030/036B model air handler. Update: air handler is the TWV036B model, American Standard Incorporated /Trane.
Blue C orange OB green G yellow Y1 red RH/R tan tape off white O1/W1 Aux2 Black You may have to go into installer setup to set for heat pump with O heat. Russ.
Tried that, the Ecobee3 never came on. I may not have killed all the breakers prior to unhooking the old thermostat. Do you know where I might find any fuses on this system? The outdoor unit has a kill plate disconnect mounted on the side of the house. Pull the plate out to cut power kind of shut off, but there are no fuses in with it as there are in other models. I didn't pull the plate out under load, so that didn't short anything, but still don't know where the fuses are or if they look any different from the jumbo-sized Christmas light fuses I'm expecting to see. The system was installed in 1994-1995, maybe they're a more bulky design or just hidden somewhere inside a panel. Thanks for your assistance with this, by the way. Also, to add to the previous message, restoring the old thermostat did not let the unit start up. AC is still down with the Weathertron installed, so unless I fried both, unlikely, something else is going on.
If you have a Trane system, open up the blower panel on furnace and check the wire from transformer to see if there is an inline fuse. It should be a 5 amp auto type fuse. Russ.
Okay, awesome. Thanks for the info. Sadly, I'll have to wait till Friday to check it out, but I really appreciate the input and the wiring confirmation. If it isn't the fuse, I'm in over my head anyway, but that might save me a diagnostic service call, and if not, I'll need a pro to fix whatever is wrong anyway. Thanks, Russ. Thanks for all the help. Found the fuse, got it replaced, and the system purred right back to life, even working great with the Ecobee3 installed. Writing was spot on and the fuse was hidden from view, but right where you said. Saved me a day off work and a couple $100 having someone diagnose the issue and install my thermostat for me.
Thanks, but you did the work. That can sometimes be a frustrating job, but you pulled it off. Great job. Russ.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.